Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, the 24th of December, Christmas Eve, obviously. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. So, had a little bit of snow depending on where you were yesterday, but certainly not a big storm by any means. Not a storm, just kind of a nuisance thing. And today we're going to have a lot of clouds across the area. Temperatures this afternoon, mid to upper 30s, a few spots south of Boston could nudge that 40-degree mark. It's going to be breezy here this morning, diminishing this afternoon. Winds gusty here the first half of the day. Tonight, mostly cloudy down in the 20s. Now, tomorrow, Christmas Day, a lot of clouds, temperature 35 to 40. Could be a little snow shower. It's a little breezy as well. That's the colder air working its way in here. You'll notice it here Thursday night, Christmas night. Temperatures down in the teens, and Friday partly sunny. We're going to be in the 20s. Then Friday night, another little weather system crosses the area, probably dropping some snow. Remains to be seen just how much we receive. That's out of here on Saturday. Then we have a little bit of a gap. I do think that another weather system moves in, perhaps in the form of rain. That'll get here as we head for Sunday afternoon or Sunday night. So if you're traveling right now, I'd say you're okay the first half of Sunday, but you definitely want to keep tuned to later forecast because it could turn stormy later Sunday. Monday right now looks fine. We'll keep an eye on that for you as to exactly how the weather's going to play out with that system. That's going to dive out of here, and then that should be gone. And then we should see clearing skies, quite cold behind that one. So all in all, we've got one weather system coming in for Friday night, depending on the track. Another one for Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, depending on the track. And then that should be it for a little bit. Merry Christmas for those of you celebrating, and have a great holiday.